My name is Ariana Blake. I am 29 years old. I am not proud of what I'm about to tell you, but it is the truth. It began on a rainy Monday, the day Noah walked into my office. He was the new employee.
Tall.
Sharp jawline. Soft brown eyes that looked calm even when he was nervous. Black hair that always fell into his eyes like he forgot to fix it on purpose. He wore a gray jacket that didn't fit him perfectly, but somehow he did. I was his manager, and from the first moment I forgot how to be one. The first look. "Good morning, ma'am. I'm Noah. Today is my first day." His voice was low, careful, respectful. I should have said, "Welcome, follow the rules, work hard." Instead, my heart said something else. I smiled too long, I spoke too softly. "Welcome, Noah." I said, "You'll work directly under me." He nodded. "I'll do my best." I didn't know then that my best would slowly disappear because of him. Falling quietly. At first I told myself, "You're just being kind, you're just being supportive." But kindness turned into excuses. Noah came late, I covered for him. Noah made mistakes, I fixed them myself. Noah smiled, I forgot my meetings. I started dressing differently, speaking differently, waiting for his footsteps in the hallway. My work started to suffer. Deadlines slipped, reports stayed unfinished. My boss noticed. "Ariana, you're not the same. He said you used to be sharp." I laughed it off, but inside, I was already drowning. 2 years of silence. For 2 years, I loved him quietly. He talked about his dreams, about moving abroad, about starting something new. I listened like it didn't hurt. Sometimes he said, "You're like my guide, my support." Guide, support, never love. I watched him talk to other women. I watched him smile at them the same way he smiled at me. But I told myself, at least he's here. The last day. One evening he stood at my door. "Ariana, I got a new job." My chest forgot how to breathe. "I'm leaving next month." I smiled like a professional. "That's great, Noah. I'm proud of you." But when he left my office, I closed the door and cried like a child. On his last day, he hugged me. "Thank you for everything," he said. "I'll never forget you." I wanted to say I loved you. I ruined myself for you. You were my weakness. But I said nothing. He walked away and took my heart with him. After he left, after Noah, I was never the same. I forgot meetings. I lost focus. I stared at empty chairs, waiting for footsteps that would never come. My performance fell, my confidence broke. People said Ariana is distracted. She's not strong anymore. They were right, because strength needs a reason, and mine had already left. My truth. I am Ariana Blake. I fell in love with my employee silently, foolishly, completely. He never knew, and maybe that's why it destroyed me. Some loves don't end with goodbye. Some loves end with you staying and everything else leaving.